Here's a GM body style you gotta love. Very popular vehicle, unique, especially in classics here. 1950 Buick Special, two-door Sedanette, Carlsbad black, gray interior. Look at this waterfall grille. Bright work chrome up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see the black paint in this car shows well. Granted, it's black. You may have a spot that's touched up here or there, but overall, see it has a nice shine reflection in it. Now, odometer reads 15,882 according to the previous owner. That's the original miles on this car. Unfortunately, due to its age, it's marked exempt in the title. I cannot confirm or deny that, but we're going to check out the interior, let you look at the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. You want to talk to a sales consultant about that warranty protection plan or any other questions on this car, 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on the wide white walls, Buick wheel covers. Of course, a 3-holer. It's another thing about this hood while we're up on the front end. Of course, this hood will open both ways. So you could actually tip it this way from the passenger side, or you could tip it this way from the driver's side. And I'll show you a couple things about that on the interior and how you do that. And we are going to take a look at the engine bay, like I said, let you hear it run. But first, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see really straight body lines. Not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Anything major anyway. Again, there might be some small imperfections here or there. All right, let's take a peek at this interior too. So, as you can see, seating surface, free of rips, tears, and holes. I want to show you this. If you were to pull this and release this, that hood will then be able to open from the passenger side and up. So, like this. You can do the same thing on the other side. Look how stock this dash looks. And when we get around to that driver's side, I'm gonna fire up the radio. I believe the radio works in this one even. Interior, very nice shape. About that headliner looks original also. Look at the visors. It's a very stock looking car. Look how that door closes. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Let's take a look at this rear chrome. Another thing I want to mention is we do have an open door policy. You want to have a third-party inspector come and look at this, see how it compares to what you see in the pictures, what you see in the videos. Feel free, no problem there. Open door policy for third-party inspectors. Have them come check this car out. We'd sure like it if you could make it yourself and meet you. But unfortunately, due to time restraints sometimes, distance, that doesn't always work. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay. Look at that seat in that body style. These definitely usually don't last for long around here. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. Take a look at the paint on it. You can see the reflection. But you'll have a few spots. Along right here. Again, nothing real major. It's a good car. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Good for going to local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Come on, who doesn't love a big old Buick? All right. Door panels on the driver's side. Flooring, everything also in nice shape. Just look at the fabric. Of course, this is going to have the throttle pedal start. So under the hood, forgot to mention that, under the hood, 248 cubic inch straight 8 It's going to be paired up with a manual transmission, shifts on the column. So what we're going to do is turn this key right here to straight up and down, which is on. Push the clutch in and push the gas pedal down. That's how the car starts, and starts easily. Alright, 15,896 it reads right now. It's been driven a little bit. 15,896 since we got it in with Tex looking at it and everything. I mentioned the radio. I have it on because I want it to warm up. There it is. Radio works. If you wanted to raise the antenna for the radio, you can turn. Which way we're going to go?
Has been on the market for 50 years,
Spin that around. You can hear the radio coming
off
better.
The shelf. An FDA advisory panel can.
We just put the radio antenna up in the air. How cool is that? Top of the dash. Good shape. All right. Make sure I'm in neutral. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Again, listen and look at that door close. Well, that sounds good and looks good. Alright, let me pause this a second because it's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. We're going to open it from, what do you think? Let's open it from the driver's side and I'll fold it up towards the passenger side. So let me pause this, get the hood open. So there's the hood open, you can see what I'm talking about. And there it is, 248 inline, 8-cylinder. And again, that's paired up with that manual. 3-speed transmission, shifts on the column. Give me an idea how it looks and sounds underneath there, underside of the hood. So very stock looking underneath the hood also. $1950 Buick Special Sedanette. Good looking 2-door. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Call them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1950 Buick Special Sedanette. It's a very nice car.
If you remember,
The EM radio
definitely a while ago.
is working beautifully. I love the way they spell out Buick on the AM radio. This is a 3 on the tree. Shifts beautifully. Runs really good. Our gauges are working. Our factory oil pressure gauge is reading on the high side, which is really good. Fuel gauge is reading just under half. Battery shows charging, and the temperature is 1/4 of the gauge. Our speedometer is also working. Reading 50 miles an hour, getting up to 55. There's actually good power in this engine. Blower motor works. Wipers also working beautifully. Really nice condition car. That great piano style hood that opens either direction to the side. Smooth ride. As I'm going down the road, if I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Nice interior. Brakes are working well. Oh wait, right here for a second and then go around the roundabout. Corners as you would expect very nicely. It's a luxurious ride, a soft ride from this car. You want to take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.